Today I'm going to teach you how to clip his wings. Clip a bird's wings, not just his. A bird in general, as soon as he stops. Okay. First thing you do is you get him to stop trying to fly. Get him settled down. Alright. Next thing you do, some birds will let you, some won't. But this is very important how you do this. The first set of flight wings, it's very important that you see this. So hold on again, buddy. Those first set of flight wings down there at the bottom, as you can see, where my thumb is where you stop. You won't be still, so we're having a flight with this. As you can see, it's just like that. So let's put this back like this. Take the wings. And that there, this is the first set of flights right here. You just come back behind here. Oh, hold on. And catch like so. And just clip. That does not hurt them. But now you got to be careful. It'll be easier probably to show you on this one too. Hold still, buddy. Be careful not to clip past this. Because if you clip past that, especially that one there, that's the blood feather. You hit that blood feather and they're going to bleed like the Valdez. Okay, now we got that situated. Come here. And this is what you go through doing this. Until you get them used to it. And this is his first time, so it's a little rambunctious, as you can tell. Those right there, you just come up from behind it. Calm down. Hey. Come on. There we go. Come here. Come on. There we go. All safe and sound. He wasn't too thrilled about it, so they kind of look a little jacked up. I'm gonna have to hold him and make it better. But you get the idea how to do it. So I mean, it's not bad. The first time was usually a doozy, but once they get used to it, it ain't too bad. So I mean, that's just how it is. Thank you for stopping by.